If you have time, go enjoy with your partner.
In advice that you have for the people that are just getting into relationships, what do you look for when you are looking for a guy? What are your ideal date places? Right.
Oh.
Your favorite color?
For me, I can say.
So you said I want to take you to a place, a new place. But which place would you recommend? You want to do with him at Big Falls? Money or handsome?
Oh, money, of course, money, of course, man. I'll go.
Money or handsome?
Handsome. I have to secure my children's car.
Hello, guys. How are you doing? Yes, welcome to yet another episode of my street vlog. Today I've got these two beautiful ladies besides me, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy what we are going to do. So if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you won't miss notifications. Hi guys.
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm doing great. David.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Oh, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Tanya.
Tanya.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. And
Lindway.
right, I've got Tanya and Lindway. So I've got just surprise questions that I have for them. So yeah. Okay, Tanya, tell me, what do you look for when you are looking for a guy?
I want someone with respect, someone who can be a friend, someone I can share everything with. More like my brother being my boyfriend at the same time.
Wow, a brother and a boyfriend. How do you differentiate the two?
They're different. See, when you have a brother, right, you're not able to tell him some things. I cannot able to tell him what Lindy does or anything, right? But when I have a boyfriend, I can share all that with him.
Oh, guys, I hope you can hear what she is saying. Okay, let's move to you, and I want you to just tell the people like what are your ideal date places, right?
Oh, kind of complicated. Okay, pardon, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, your ideal date places. Like I'm your guy and say, okay babe, I want to go with you on a date. What are your ideal date places?
Like I can say a place which is nice, like a quiet place. Like I don't live a public place, but a quiet place, yeah, maybe.
A quiet place. Doing what?
Oh, us enjoying ourselves.
Like eating, playing, like what are the activities?
Yeah, of course there's eating and playing some games, and also maybe a walk date, something like that.
A walk date?
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, come on. Okay.
Yeah.
Taking a walk with my boyfriend.
Okay.
Yeah, me and my boyfriend, like walking.
Okay. I got it. So, right, I'm now moving to Tanya. Tanya, tell me like 3 most adorable things in a man.
His smile.
Yeah.
His hands. And the last one, I'd say his voice.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you on the second one. You said his hands.
Yeah.
Hands.
Yes.
Hands, guys. Hands. She's saying hands.
Yes.
Like, what is it about hands?
Like, you know, like those hands and in my veins. Like, you are very attractive.
My veins.
Guy. Like, those things.
Okay. Yeah, I got it, guys. She's saying those hands with veins, like, I think that's what you are saying. Okay, yeah, and you also mentioned about the voice. What is it about the voice?
I mean, I really love boys when they have deep voices.
Okay.
Oh, but it's very sweet. And then you get pretty, but my voices they are they are not attracting at all.
Guys, deep voices are so sweet. That's what she's saying. Okay. Alright, let me hear your side, maybe, so that we can balance out the two.
Okay. As for me, I can say the look. Okay, the face.
Yeah.
And also, obvious the smell attractive, and also Not she. Yeah. Like teeth. Not the she. Yeah, a canine teeth, which is
A canine teeth.
yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. What is it how is it attractive?
Okay, it's attractive like pa no sekere pepe or pa nature ni pepe. Pa ni can say hi. And I'm like, wow. Okay, like it's a it's a combination because there's a face, there's a good smile, and a teeth.
Wow, that's cool. What's your favorite color?
It's black.
Black.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Obvious pink.
Pink.
Yeah, but I'm wearing black anyway, but I love pink. Pink is my favorite color.
Alright, yeah, I heard a lot of girls like pink, but I'm surprised you like black.
Yeah,
How about pink?
because every girl likes it.
Every girl,
Most of the girls like it. It's like I'm not really a fan of pink.
money or handsome?
Oh, money, of course, money, of course, but I'll go.
Money or handsome?
Handsome. I have to
Handsome.
secure my children car. Handsome.
Oh, let's say let's say you said I want to take you to a place, a new place. Or which place would you recommend?
To a new place, like okay, outside the country, or inside the country.
Inside.
Inside the country. Oh, let me pick. To his house.
What?
To his house.
To his house, guys. If he says you want to take her to the place, she would want to go to his house. How about you?
Kumisha kwabo.
Kumusha kwao. Yes. Kumusha kwao. So you have to prepare those cows, Tika and Makumbo. So that's what she wants. So she is just saying, I want to see how serious you are.
Yes,
Right?
exactly.
Okay, that's so cool. What's your favorite travel destination?
In Zimbabwe or nationwide?
Museum.
I'd say Victoria Falls.
Big Falls.
Yes.
Okay. How about you?
Victoria Falls.
Victoria Falls.
Yeah.
What would you want to do with him at Big Falls?
It was like it's all like viewing those falls and something like something like that.
What would you want to do with him at Big Falls?
Because I want to take a lot of pictures with them.
More pictures. What else?
Maybe a date, one of the restaurants in Coco. Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite pet?
Oh, wait. I don't have one.
You don't have one. Okay. Do you like pets?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite?
A puppy.
A puppy. Yeah. So, do you know much about dogs?
No, really. Maybe Baboa.
My boy.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. So, guys, let's say, do you have any advice that you have for the people that are just getting into relationships?
Saturday my pictures, sweetheart. Don't rush it. Remember, so my memories. What's your mama?
Guys, she's saying don't take pictures for it to end, and then those memories will pain you, right?
Yes.
So that's what she is saying. Okay, what's your advice?
True. Okay, like I didn't even hear the question.
All right, what's your advice to the people that are in relationships?
Okay, my advice is enjoy. Kana ushirikana na Mungu konya so dana naye. Gaho spoil kana tell me spoil it because you regret wakusona kwenza mwaskana my dates or something like that. You should go to I'm busy. If you have time, go enjoy with your partner.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you so guys for participating in my vlog. Guys, this is what you are doing, so don't miss out any vlog that I will be producing on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's meet in the next one. Thank you.